The Cauchy mean value theorem is a generalization of the mean value theorem that we showed previously in the previous video. So what it said? It said that if we have two functions f and g that are continuous in the closed interval a and b and differentiable in the open intervals also a and b, then there exists at least one point in C such that these conditions happens. Okay? What is these conditions? Means that the difference between the evaluation of the function f between the extremes values of the intervals multiplied by the slope of this C value in the function g is the same as the difference between the evaluation of the g function in the extreme values multiplied by the slope of the function f in this C value. Okay, let's work with, basically let's create a function h that have this structure similar to what we have it here, right? This function h, we see that it is continuous in the interval. It is differentiable because it's also a polynomial, right? Furthermore, we can see if we evaluated h in a, we can simplify this function and we will basically obtain this. Okay, until now it doesn't matter, it's just a result. But what happens if we do the same thing for h, b, evaluated in b? We again do the simplification and obtain the same thing. It means that h evaluated in the stream A is equal to h evaluated in the stream B. And we remember the Rolle's theorem. It said there must exist a value C in this interval, in this open interval, such that the derivative is 0. Remember, if you remember this one, so we can guarantee that if we started and finished in the same place, the derivative is 0 at some point, either because the function is constant or either because it is going up and down, right? But that happens only because the function evaluated in the stream A and the stream B is the same. Okay, so if that is the case, basically we obtain the derivative of the function h that we have it in the top, right? Because this part that we have here is basically a constant number, and this part is also another constant number. We just obtain the derivative equal as it is. We equal that to 0, and we have this difference that we can also rewrite it as we have in the top, right? That is the proof. But by the way, what happens if we get the function g equal to x, for example? The derivative will be 1. So in this case, we will have this multiplied by 1, which is this one, minus this evaluated to x, in this case, will be b and a, right? And this is the same as the mean value theorem. That is why this Cauchy mean value theorem is a generalization of the mean value theorem.